Tail end of the cattle drive here as we go across the road. We got another slow cow. We got all of our old original cows are falling apart on us here. We got one down the hill already that's not coming, and 205 has done got slow on us. So just, I guess life just has that effect on us. Sometimes we get wore out. That's what's going on at Natural Grandma. Cattle drive across the road to another farm. And then we already got hay unrolled out there, so on these little wet days it's good not to have to go unroll hay. All you gotta do is walk them across. Beautiful girls. Some of them feeling a little old and tired, but that don't make them any less beautiful. Sometimes old is the most beautiful thing we have. I'm feeling that especially this week with the passing of my mother at almost 95. Life's going to be different from here on out. So Natural Grandma, we wish you were having this good a day too. Good day. From Judith's house in the country. Where their horizons are beautiful.